In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Claude Code straight into your Discord server so that you can control your local Claude Code AI agent from anywhere. We'll go step by step, setting up the bot, securing your token, and fixing common permission issues so that you can unlock full channel access so it works properly. By the end, we'll have a fully working AI assistant inside of Discord that doesn't just talk, it executes. So let's get into it. First, head over to the Discord developer portal and locate the new application button in the top right corner. Clicking that will open a small window where you need to give your new app a name like Claude Code. Agree to the terms of services and hit create. Once your app is created, look at the left sidebar menu and select the bot tab to start configuring the bot's core settings. The most critical step here is scrolling down to the privileged gateway intent section and toggling message content intent to the on position so your bot can actually read the messages you send it. Next, navigate to the OAuth tab on the left sidebar to generate the invite link for your bot. Under the OAuth 2 URL generator section, check the box next to the word bot in the scopes list. Immediately below that, a bot permissions section will appear. Select the permissions your bot needs, such as send messages, attach files, read message history, view channels, and add reactions. Finally, copy the generated URL at the bottom of the page, paste it into your web browser. Back in the Discord authorization window, review the requested permissions, then hit authorize to successfully add your new bot to the server. Once that is done, open up your terminal, type the Claude command to launch Claude Code. With Claude running, link the official Anthropic plugin repository by typing the plugin marketplace add command, followed by the official GitHub URL. Now you can install the bridge by running the plugin install command for Discord. Select your preferred installation scope, and then type /reload plugins to activate it. Finally, run the Discord configure command to initialize the setup. Head back to the Discord developer portal to grab your bot token and paste it in to complete the pairing process. Next, restart it using the specific channel flags pointing to the official Discord plugin, which tells the bot to start actively listening for incoming messages. Hop over to Discord and find your bot in the member list. Send it a direct message and it will immediately reply for secure temporary pairing code. Now go back to your terminal and type /discord access pair followed by the unique code provided to you. If your code expires before you enter it, simply send the bot another message to generate a fresh one and repeat the pairing command. Finally, lock down your bot's security by running /discord access policy allow list, ensuring it only responds to approved users and channels. When prompted, confirm the change to access the .json file by selecting yes and allow Claude to edit its own settings, successfully finalizing your secure setup. Now that the basic connection is locked down, let's fine-tune your personal access. Head into Discord user settings, locate the developer tab on the left, and ensure developer mode is toggled on so you can copy the unique user and channel IDs. With that enabled, right-click your own Discord profile and select Copy User ID, and then use the /discord access allow command in your terminal, pasting your ID to grant yourself exclusive DM access. Confirm the update to your local access.json file when Claude asks. This restricts the bot's interactions to just your account. Now make sure you restart Claude with the channels that specify the Discord plugins. At this point, you can start a new chat in a server by tagging the bot, but you might notice it requires manual permission in the terminal before sending a reply back to Discord. To fix this and make the bot respond instantly, tell Claude to update your config to auto-approve all tools from the Discord plugin, bypassing those annoying confirmation pop-ups forever. Now, when Claude asks you if you want to apply that auto-approve edit to your settings.json file, simply hit enter to select yes. With that confirmed, Claude will now show a summary listing of all the Discord plugin tools that are now auto-approved. Jump back over to Discord and send the bot a quick test message. You will see it reply instantly in the chat without any permission prompts. To expand the bot's reach into a shared server channel, right-click the specific channel name in Discord and select Copy Channel ID. back in your terminal, type /discord access group add, followed by the copied channel ID to introduce the bot to the public space. Claude will ask you to confirm this update to access the .json file. Select yes to write the new channel ID into the approved groups list. Next, you need to do the exact same thing for the specific text channel. Right-click the general channel and select copy channel ID, and run the same /discord access group add command with the channel ID, confirming the file edit one last time. Now you can head back into the general channel and @mention your bot, and watch it seamlessly reply to your @mentions without any terminal pop-ups slowing it down. And just like that, you have a fully functional Claude Code assistant running live in your own Discord server. If this guide helped you, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more Claude Code tutorials. Let me know in the comments below what your plan is to build with your new setup, and I'll see you in the next one.